Hi everybody, this is a GE 15 watt orange pygmy bulb, bayonet cap 240 volt. You'll see the paint is quite scratched on it. The reason why is I found it in a box of screws in a toolbox. I always get the box of screws, I tip them out and this bulb came rolling out. I'm amazed that it's actually not broken. But being a GE bulb, the quality is there. Unlike some of these other ones you get today, there's no quality to them really, but these old school bulbs are pretty tough. What's even more amazing is it actually still works. So the best thing to do, light it up. There we go. Note the unusual marks on the wall, that's the scratches. The white light coming through, you can maybe see, if I hold the camera there. No, it's too white. The etch, but unusual, tough, surviving 15 watt bulb.